Tinandaan natin ang oras na ito na nandito tayo. Bakit? Pinahalagahan natin ang dalawang ito. At binigyan natin ng panahon na makita ang dalawang ito sa kasalang ito. At ganyan din ang Panginoong Jesus.
Kurt.
Sayaw, kailangan masayaw.
Gia.
Wow! Thank you! Lay and Dana!
Today, February 21, 2026, finally, nandito na tayo, mahal. Dumating na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Looking back, hindi ko makakalimutan nung una tayong magkita, May 13, 2021. Pandemic days pa noon. After months of talking video calls, and after being introduced by your best friend and my co-worker, Marianne. Bago kita nakilala, I was hesitant and fearful of starting a new relationship because of my past heartbreaks. But looking at you now, I realize that those heartaches were just God's way of protecting me and redirecting towards to the right person.
Salamat dahil dumating ka sa mga panahong kailangan ko ng karamay. Salamat dahil hindi ko pinilit ang panahon na hanapin ka dahil kusa kang pinagkaloob sa akin.
Ano man ang mangyayari sa inyo, patapos ang kasalang ito, lagi niyong iisa sa isip. Ang Diyos ang nagtatag ng pag-aasawa at kayo'y kinasal at kayong dalawa'y nagsumpaan, kamatayan lang ang maghihiwalay sa inyong dalawa.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that.
From that moment, I finally gained the courage to ask you to go out so that I could see you in person and to know more about you. Noong una kita makita, I was beyond amazed. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, Miss Universe ba ito ang kadate ko? Ang lakas kasi ng appeal mo. The way you walk, your beauty, talagang nai-love ako agad.
The last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love.
Bubuo kayo ng isang sambahayan. Magkaiba kayo ng gusto. Magkaiba kayo ng ayaw ninyo. At doon ngayon papasok ang tinatawag na pag-uunawaan. Itayo ninyo ang inyong sambahayan sa matibay na pundasyon. Na kapag doon nakatayo ang bahay, kahit bumaha, kahit lumagpak ang ulan, humihip ang hangin, hindi matitibag yun. Kasi matibay ang inyong pundasyon.
They just fade out when you take a breath. Just say the word and now we'll disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough. So that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
Hello pa and Mama, sana happy kayo para sa akin.
Every single day, through all ups and downs, I thank God for giving me a partner as kind, as loving as you are. Thank you for 4 years we've shared and for the lifetime we about to begin. I am so grateful we found each other. I can truly say I have finally found the love of my life.
Pagmamahal na alam kong inantay mo rin ng mahabang panahon. Sa dulo, sabay nating lalakbayin at lalampasan ang marurupok na daan.
I promise to love you loyally and unconditionally for as long as I shall live. I love you so much, Rachel Ann Kalika.
So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you better.